Look at this drop of oil. If you are tired of reading ingredient labels full of synthetic chemicals and processed additives, the alternative starts with pure ingredients like this. That's the philosophy behind health, beauty, and cooking essentials. This guide compiles over 100 recipes and 50 beauty formulas, so you can replace your chemical routines entirely. To show you exactly how accessible this is, we are going to build 3 step-by-step formulas from the book together right now. You cannot buy Radiant Health in a pharmacy aisle. You have to craft it from the inside out. Step 1. We'll start with the avocado and honey face mask, designed specifically to repair dry skin. You need exactly 3 ingredients: half a ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mash the avocado until it forms a perfectly smooth paste, then slowly drizzle in the honey and the olive oil, folding them together until the mixture is uniform. Apply an even layer to your face and leave it for 20 minutes. The raw avocado and oils deliver high doses of vitamins A, D, and E directly into your pores. Synthetic moisturizers sit on the surface to create an artificial barrier. This natural combination actually penetrates the skin to repair the cellular barrier beneath. Step 2 is a natural hair growth serum. Look at these raw ingredients. We are going to use them to halt hair loss and wake up dormant follicles. Combine 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then add exactly 5 drops of peppermint oil and 5 drops of rosemary oil. Mix these carefully and transfer them into a dark glass dropper bottle. The dark glass prevents light from degrading the active compounds in the essential oils. Before massaging it into your scalp, warm the mixture slightly to activate the oils. Do not boil it. High heat destroys the nutrient profile. Synthetic hair products often provide a temporary cosmetic coating. Feeding your scalp these specific organic oils provides the nutrients required to support the natural hair growth cycle and strengthen the roots. Step 3 brings our routine to internal nutrition. This is the Green Power Smoothie Bowl, designed to deliver a massive spike of morning energy. In your blender, add 1 frozen banana, a cup of fresh spinach, half an avocado, a cup of coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Watch as it processes down. The raw ingredients break apart and emulsify into a thick, vivid green, creamy texture. The math on this is precise. A single bowl provides exactly 8 grams of protein, perfectly balanced with essential healthy fats. Pour the mixture into a natural bowl. Finish it by layering granola, fresh coconut flakes, and bright mixed berries over the top. Traditional carbohydrate-heavy breakfasts cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash mid-morning. This specific ratio of protein to healthy fats keeps your energy completely stable. Using organic ingredients on your skin and hair is a safe practice. But if you want lasting results, you have to provide the internal fuel your body needs to rebuild. In Chapter 2, the guide introduces a specific dietary addition to your routine, the collagen-rich bone broth beauty elixir. You can see the richness here. It requires 24 to 48 hours of slow-cooked preparation to extract the vital nutrients from the grass-fed bones. This process delivers high concentrations of collagen, glycine, and proline directly into your digestive system, where they are absorbed and sent to your tissues. Supplying your body with these concentrated building blocks helps maintain the structural integrity of your skin, supporting its natural elasticity and glow. We make a mistake when we treat health and beauty as separate categories. True wellness only happens when your nutrition and your skincare operate as a single unified system. You now have the exact formulas for the hydrating face mask, the stimulating hair serum, and the energy-stabilizing smoothie bowl. Those 3 recipes are just a tiny preview. The complete guide contains over 100 recipes and a full A to Z breakdown of holistic wellness. It works because it takes ancient natural wisdom and synchronizes it with modern scientific research on macronutrients and cellular health. Right now, you can secure the entire comprehensive guide for only 500 taka by visiting globalafixpro.shop. Stop relying on synthetic chemicals. Go to the website, download the guide, and start building your lifetime of natural wellness today.